stock markets. When we say vibration level, it means that point or that number can be a prospective resistance or support. Is that clear? The red lines are cardinal lines, blue lines are ordinal lines. Any number that fall on these lines are said to act as significant support and resistances, but I will never say act as significant resistance. I will say act as probable resistance and support. Is that clear? So finally, square of 9 is an interesting arrangement of numbers that have specific order and can be used in various ways, which we will discover in the subsequent topics. And there is an 8 in the square of 9. The square of 9 is also an activity which is based on number 8. Every rotation of square of 9 will add 8 numbers. So you started with one digit, which is 1. At the end of 3 cross 3 matrix, how many numbers were there? You started square of 9 with 1. At the end of 3 cross 3 matrix, you had 9. Correct? Now, when you did one complete rotation around that number 1, how many numbers got added? 8 numbers. Another rotation, when you do 5 cross 5 matrix, please go and check how many numbers got added. It's not 8. When you do the first rotation, it added 8 numbers. Why? From numbers from 2 to 9. The second rotation added 16 numbers, which is from 10 to 25. The third rotation added 24 numbers, 26 to 49. So every time you are adding a number which is a multiple of 8. Another interesting point, there is a consistency. Okay, so is this 100% pure mathematics? There is no discretion here. Even if I tell you do 5,000 rotations and tell me what is the last number, every one of you should get the same number. If that is the case, it is a quant. If it is a quant, it can be programmed. Agreed? Sounds good. Now, how many rotations needed to reach Nifty? How do we find this? Any idea? Okay, one of you please take the Friday close price of Nifty and take a square root and tell me the number. Take a square root of Nifty and tell me the number. 10383. Very good. So take a square root. So maybe 100. 100 square is 10,000. 103. So roughly you need to make 103 rotations in order to reach Nifty levels. 100 plus. Now let's consider the number 101 in the square of 9, which is on the 45-degree line. It is talking about this one. And he's talking about this number. The number below it is 65. Everyone agree? The number below 101 is 65.